In front of me is Xiaomi 14T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then hold it to click on this icon with the rectangles. Click on Home button and select a second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!